Hey everyone, this is magician Gordon Russ inviting you to enjoy my fun comedy magic show at the Waterfront Festival in Menominee, Michigan. I will be performing 2 free shows on Thursday, August 4, 2011. The first show starting at 4:30 p.m. and the second performance at 6:15 p.m. This is a fun, interactive magic show and I will use lots of volunteers. There is a way to increase your chances of being chosen as a volunteer. All you need to do is make and bring your own Pick Me sign. During the show, when I need a volunteer, start waving that sign and I will know who really wants to help with the show. I will also be giving away free magic tricks to anyone who knows my magic cheat code. Simply write the cheat code on a scrap of paper and after the show you can trade it in for a free magic trick. The cheat code can be found by visiting my website GordonRuss.com. This show promises to be lots of fun. I hope to see you there.